Trying to give assets away to qualify for Texas Medicaid can be tricky. Gifting can be an effective strategy, but you need to follow these simple precautions. Caution number 1, pay attention to the look-back period. Medicaid has a right to review all gifts and transfers occurring in the past 5 years. This 60-month period is called the look-back period. A transfer takes place when an asset changes ownership. As long as you receive fair compensation for the asset, Medicaid doesn't assess a penalty. If you transfer the asset for less than fair market value, though, Medicaid may delay the financial support. The length of delay is determined by dividing the value of the gifted assets by a monthly factor. The factor changes annually. For 2015, the amount is $158 per day. For each $158 that's transferred, Medicaid delays assistance for a day. For example, let's say your mother gave you $37,000 a few years ago. She was perfectly healthy at that time. There was no thought about needing nursing home care. Last month, she suffered a severe stroke. You try to care for her at home, but the demands are too great and compromise her safety, your health, or both. Life forces you to make the reluctant decision to move her to a nursing home to receive the care that she needs. Your mom applies for Medicaid since she has no other assets. Her income is below Medicaid's income limit, and she meets all the necessary medical requirements. But for the gift, she'd be eligible instantly. But because of the transfer, Medicaid will likely delay benefits for 234 days, which is a bit less than 8 months. Where will that money come from? Your mom can't pay because she's out of money. The responsibility for payment shifts to you and other family members. I want to point out 3 important issues when dealing with gifts, transfers, and Medicaid's look-back provisions. First of all, not all transfers incur a penalty. Medicaid allows penalty-free transfers in some cases, like transferring a home to a spouse or setting up a special needs trust for a disabled child. Second, the look-back period is a review period. It doesn't necessarily mean that your benefits will be eliminated. In other words, just because a transfer took place doesn't mean eligibility will be delayed for 60 months in the future. If gifts have been made, Medicaid has some not-so-obvious rules you may be able to use to reduce the length of that penalty. Medicaid's gifting rules are complicated. If a nursing home could be in the picture for a senior family member, be sure to get solid advice from a competent Texas elder law attorney before making any transfers.